Okay, so I have another mind-boggling experience. It's like every day, I swear. This little baby snapper was in my flower bed in the window. I have no idea how it got there. I have a fenced-in yard with a huge privacy fence. It's pretty much down all the way to the ground because I don't want my dog like sticking her nose under there, or you know what I mean. I am mind boggled about how in the world did a little snapper even get in my yard. I have no idea, but he or she is really liking this attention and being rubbed right now. So I thought turtles, you're always supposed to point them in the direction that they're going because they're finding their home, but like he was pointed towards my home in the window because I wanted to open the windows in the basement. And I told Dylan to come out and fix the screen. And he came running and he's like, there's a turtle in there. I'm like, what? And I thought he meant like one of the windows outside of the fence. But no, it's in my flower bed. I'm just mind boggled. I'm just mind boggled. I don't even like reptiles. I like mammals. I'm not really a reptile kind of person. I even have to look up the spiritual meaning. What does it mean when you have a baby frickin' snapper? Not even like a painted turtle. Like, what the hell? So I don't know where to take it. There must be a body of water around here. Somebody's pond. All I can think is like one of those crazy storms where like the water was rushing. Must have like carried an egg under the fence into the window. And it hatched. And this little guy has been eating bugs, I guess, and living. I don't know. I am so mind boggled. But anyway, he is happy right now. He's so happy to be out of there. And I just have to figure out what to do. Somebody around here must have a pond that I should try to find for him to be reunited with this fam. I mean, hope there's no more around here. Anyway, just call me fucking Snow White, man. Bear yesterday, little snapper today. Like, wanting the actual fuck. But yeah, like, he likes it. See? He'll like lean into it. He's really enjoying it. Do you hear my crazy neighbors? The reason I have a privacy fence. So I think they're supposed to be wet. I don't really know much about turtles. I think he would probably eat worms and stuff, but he's having some garden lettuce. And does that feel nice? Does that feel nice, baby? Does that feel nice? Oh, sorry. Baby, I don't really know what to do with you. Anybody have a pond around here and they want a snapper to inhabit it? I don't know what to do. I don't want him to not be with his family, but like, you know, can't point him in the direction he was going. So I think I have magical powers with animals or something.